Art therapy, the movement just in general, has become really profound because people are starting to realize that we can't always access trauma in a verbal pattern. So it's really hard just in general to talk about trauma, but to really access certain parts in our brain and in our bodies. Words just don't do that. So art therapy is helpful in that way that it helps people who don't know how to talk about those things or who are taught not to talk about those things, access it and process it without having to use words. When you draw something or you create something, it can indicate to an art therapist some subconscious levels of processing that help us then utilize talk therapy in a more deep and profound way. Sometimes, painting and getting your arm involved, it's kind of like moving and dancing and exercise, how they use that as a coping skill. You can implement ways of making art that can also release that same sense of relief. It's good for, people who have anxiety or are having high moments of risk or stress in their lives. It's also a good distracting tool. A lot of our population, because they do battle addiction, will utilize art as a way to distract themselves from boredom, which is often a trigger. I was fortunate enough to be introduced to arts as a child, and I grew up in the community, and I really firsthand understood the relief that you get when you find something that works to make you feel better. It's pretty simple. Like, everyone knows what the arts are, but not everyone has access to them, and not everyone knows how to use them in a way that is therapeutic. So I kind of had this dream to get out there and have people be able to do art in a way that isn't just creating, it's helping them better themselves.